Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome as always. I'm back out with this little modified P51 Mustang. I've crashed this thing and destroyed it and repaired it so many times. I made it brushless. I have a link in the description so you guys can check out the video of what I did to this. But in short, this is the electronics from the Kitty 560 inside the BM26. And so I crashed it a bunch of times, a bunch of mishaps. The last time I crashed it, it was flying beautifully, but I flew it on a low battery and I tried to do a loop and the battery cut out on me and it dive bombed into the ground over there and smashed the front to pieces. Well, I have since repaired it. You guys can see all the battle scars of this thing, but I'm really trying to get this guy to fly. I'm thinking about getting a new one and throwing these internal parts inside of that, but I want to make sure I get everything right before I actually buy the other one. So I'm testing it now. This is a prop from JJRC. One of my JJRC quads has these props. I got a bunch of them on deck, so I'm testing it with that prop. It matches the guy's helmet and everything. So let's get him up in the air. Let me see if I can show you guys this. I have one of these little tiny whoop packs in here. 300 milliamp hour tattoo. Supposedly this is the best battery in its class. And so I modded it to use those to give it a little more oomph as far as power and all. But let's get it in the air. At this point, I'm just going to say I hope we don't have any mishaps. Because I crashed this darn thing so much. I don't have the wheels on it, so we're going to have to do a belly landing in the grass over there. Sounds like you got a squirrel running behind me or something. Yep, it's a squirrel.
Welcome to HTX.
I feel like a little vibration. Okay, that's better. Let's get it in the air. Oh! Oh! Ah! I was doing my best not to hit that gate right there. Looks like we don't have too much damage done. Just this little part popped off. That's supposed to pop off. That was a bad throw. That was a real bad throw. Let's see. Yo! Dang. I guess that was a bad throw too. Sheesh. What is going on? Let me check everything. Got to do a check. Everything seems to be working fine. So, okay, one more attempt. Oh no, something's going on with it. This guy's just turning upside down and going down. So there's definitely something wrong with it. having an issue with staying upright. Let me check the gyro. Oh yeah, the gyro was swapped around for some reason. Check this out, y'all. When it leans this way, it's supposed to... Oh yeah, it's doing right. Yeah, so I don't understand. When we lean to this side, this one's supposed to come up to bring it back, and the same vice versa. Yeah, everything is working right, so I don't know why it keeps turning over on me. And now it's resetting every time I give it full throttle. Maybe it's the battery. Thinking maybe it's the battery. Yeah, it's the battery, definitely. Alright, so it looks like it was the battery because that battery was discharged already. And I just charged that battery up, so it was definitely the battery. Got another battery. Going for a 550 this time, y'all. So larger battery. Hopefully that was the issue, because I want to get this thing in the air. Gotta turn on the transmitter.
Welcome to HTX.
Okay, let me check everything. Okay. Everything seems to be working fine. Okay, so it was the battery. We're in the air with it. And it's flying great. Let's try the other direction on the turn. Yep. Oh, my cover came off. Oh, my cover came off. I'm glad it came off over here, because I didn't feel like having to walk over in that parking lot looking for it. Let me try a roll. I'm kind of nervous trying to roll with the top off the thing. But we're going to see if it rolls. Yep, it rolls. No problem. Let's see if it loops. Almost went into the pole there. It rolled pretty nice actually. Let's try to bring it in for a landing. Okay, good landing. Got my little cover over here. So it's flying. I think I'm going to take it out to the big field and see if I can fly some acro with it, because it actually seems like it's flying pretty well and pretty straight. When I put it in manual mode, I was able to do a nice roll with it, and I'm curious to see with the adjustments that I made to the elevator and all, if I can actually fly this in manual mode successfully. Thanks for watching.